Welcome to Personal Finance. I wanted to make this video for two reasons. The first one is that I wanted to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. We have reached over 100 subscribers in less than 2 weeks. For that reason, I am making this video in an attempt to share with you what I have learned and to help you grow your channel, just as you have helped me. I know that this channel focuses on personal finance and not on social media. However, growing a YouTube channel allows you to monetize it and collect income from it, thus affecting, in a positive way, your personal finances. They say getting your first 100 subscribers is the hardest milestone to reach on YouTube. I can't comment on that personally, but in this video, we'll go over 6 tips on how to grow your channel from 0 to 100 subscribers in less than 2 weeks. I don't have the authority or the knowledge to talk about growing your YouTube channel past the 100 subscriber mark, but I posted my first video on July 17 of 2020, and at the time I am making this video, it has been less than 2 weeks, and I already have over 120 subscribers. The first thing you should do is pick a topic. In the beginning, you will struggle to grow if you are uploading content on various topics, because your viewers will not know what to expect from you. In other words, why should they subscribe to you? What content are you offering? That is why so many YouTubers recommend that you make a list of 100 video ideas before you even begin creating your channel. If you struggle coming up with over 100 ideas for videos, you will struggle to keep a schedule and actually produce those videos. This might also mean you don't know enough about the topic, and perhaps you should pick something else. This way, you can keep uploading content even after months and months of uploading videos weekly. The second thing I would recommend is very easy to do, and yet I see so many YouTubers with less than 500 subscribers not doing it. That is to reply to all the comments left on your videos. Listen, if someone is taking the time to click on your channel, watch one of your videos, and actually leave a comment, the least you can do is reply. If you are a small YouTuber like me and want to get to your next 100 subscribers, replying to all the comments is key. It takes very little time. If Graham Stephan with over 2 million subscribers can reply to a significant amount of comments per day, what's your excuse? The third tip is to create searchable videos. When you're starting out and nobody knows you, people do not care about a day in your life or what you ate for dinner. Yes, these types of videos can work once you have an audience and people are actually interested in you. But when you're starting out, you better stick to searchable videos, information that people are already looking for on YouTube, regardless of the creator. As long as you have something of value to say, people will watch. Remember, YouTube is a search engine like Google, so people go on this platform all the time to search for new answers. Use this to your advantage and create content that has value to offer. This will help you grow organically. This video is not sponsored, but I use vidIQ to help me come up with searchable content. I type in my video title or idea, and vidIQ ranks my idea based on how searchable it is. The highest ranks have a high amount of people searching for the term and a low number of creators producing those videos. This means that if you produce a highly ranked idea, a lot of people will search for it, while the competition to rank is low, thus giving your video a much higher chance of being seen by a whole new audience. And remember, more views equals more subscribers and watch time hours. If you are finding value in this video, please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. The fourth tip is to fill out the description box and the tags when uploading a new video. The description and the tags in your video contain information that YouTube uses to rank your video in search. So the more information you feed it, the better chance YouTube has of finding your video. Fill out all the tags and write an accurate description of your video. Use keywords and phrases in your title that accurately depict what the video is about. The fifth tip is to produce as much content as possible without compromising the quality of the videos. When asked about quality over quantity, most YouTubers will say that quality is best. However, YouTube likes consistency, so uploading regularly will help your channel get promoted. So as long as you are not lowering the quality of your videos, you should produce as much content as possible. The final tip is somewhat controversial, and I want to be very clear on this. Commenting on other channels can help you get noticed by other people, as long as you are not spamming all over YouTube. Spamming can get your channel deleted, so this is what I recommend. Whenever I want to leave a comment on another video, I make sure to watch the whole video and leave a comment that actually pertains to the video. Comments like sub for sub or go check out my channel will be marked as spam and can get your channel deleted. So, if you're going to watch a video, leave a positive, authentic comment. Others might see it and realize that you have a channel. This will increase the chances of people actually watching your content and subscribing. I feel like everybody who's trying to grow their channel already knows this, but I will say it anyway. People will only watch your videos and subscribe if you have quality content to provide. What I mean is that your thumbnails need to be clear. What is the video about? And the video itself needs to be engaging, whatever the topic it may be. The retention rate is very important. Do people watch most of the video, or do they click right out? Follow these principles and I'm convinced you will see growth. Growing on YouTube requires patience and time. So try to be patient and produce the best content you can. In time, you will see the fruit of your labor. Let me tell you how I analyze YouTube from a financial perspective. Let's say you make videos for 12 months and don't make a penny. But starting your second year, you start to make around $100 per month. You think it's too low for the number of hours you've worked on your channel. But in reality, the return on investment is this. It would be as if you worked at your 9-to-5 job for 12 months and they paid you an extra $10,000 during the 12-month period. Then, you took the money and invested it, with a 12% annual return on investment rate. Annually, you would make $1,200, and most people would say that your $10,000 is well invested. Well, the money that you would make from this would be the same amount YouTube is paying you at only $100 a month. So in the end, it is worth it. In conclusion, you are the only one responsible for growing your channel. It is possible, but it is also very hard. So do not give up and keep at it. Hopefully, we will both keep growing. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. And if you think your friends and family might benefit from hearing this, please share it with them. As always, thank you for watching.